Today, we're delving into a groundbreaking discovery: metals that can self-repair. This research, conducted by the Sandia National Laboratory and Texas A&M University, could revolutionize how we approach material fatigue. Let's explore this fascinating development. For years, the challenge of metal fatigue has plagued industries, leading to machinery breakdowns and structural failures. However, a recent study has shown that metals can self-repair damage at the nano level, challenging long-held academic beliefs. Steel fatigue, characterized by microscopic cracks from repeated external force, is a primary cause of damage in machines and structures. Until now, it was believed that metals couldn't recover from such damage on their own. The research team made a significant breakthrough using a special electron microscope. They created nanoscale platinum and observed its behavior. Astonishingly, some cracks began to heal themselves, closing up without a trace after 40 minutes. This self-recovery ability of platinum, observed in a vacuum, opens up possibilities for creating more durable machines and structures. Imagine engines and bridges that can withstand greater wear and tear, significantly enhancing safety and longevity. While this phenomenon was observed in platinum under vacuum conditions, the implications for other metals in different environments are yet to be determined. This discovery marks the beginning of a new era in materials science. The idea of self-healing metals is not just a scientific curiosity. It holds the promise of a safer, more durable world. As this research progresses, we might soon see materials that dramatically reduce the risk of mechanical failures.